This question comes up fairly often every tax season. Why didn't I get a form for my IRA contribution? Or, don't I need a tax form to prove that I made an IRA contribution? Hey, that seems like a logical question because you get forms for just about everything else you need to complete your tax return. Well, you do get a tax form showing your IRA contributions, both traditional and Roth, as well as SEP IRA and SIMPLE IRA. It's called Form 5498. It arrives in May or June, long after you've filed your taxes. Yeah, it's kind of quirky. Most forms you'll need to work on your taxes come in January and February. So what's to do with this one coming after my tax return is due? Remember, you have all the way until April 15th to make a contribution to an IRA for the prior tax year. Financial institutions wait until after that option to make a prior year contribution is gone. Then the institution or IRA custodian prepares the Form 5498, usually by the end of May, and sends one to the IRS and one to you. But you don't need to file it with your tax return. It's strictly for informational purposes. So keep it in your tax file. If you made deductible IRA contributions, you'll report those on the 1040. If you report a deduction that's larger than what's reported on the 5498, well, you know what those IRS envelopes look like, so be on the lookout. If you made Roth contributions, you don't report those at all on your tax return. They aren't deductible. Your 5498 will show you made them though, so keep it in your tax file as well, but nothing to report on your return. Bottom line, your IRA custodian will prepare a Form 5498 after the tax filing deadline, usually April 15th. They're required to file the form with the IRS, not you.